up guys? Today I am in my room, I'm on the floor, and we're ready to do a little DIY action to some pieces that I have in my closet that, I don't know, aren't that exciting anymore. I pulled out a few pieces that are either too big or just boring or I don't gravitate towards anymore, and we're gonna see if we can do a little DIY magic on them. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like now, and then I'm gonna show you how I'll style them once they're redone and fixed up a little bit. Hopefully they turn out really good. I'm hopeful. I've done things like this before, and it's a really good way to just rework the things that you have in your closet already and not necessarily just go buy more things or just throw things out when you can still wear them and get use out of them. Okay, so the first thing I have are these jeans. I got them from, let's see, can you see? I got them from Nasty Gal, and I really love them. They have like the little slit detail on the side, but as you can see, they are just way too long. I don't understand why they're this ridiculously long, but unfortunately, they gotta go. So this is my next pair of pants. These ones are fine lengthwise, but the waist is just giant. I bought these from a thrift store a few months ago, again with the intent on somehow making them work. I just really liked the jean itself. They have really nice contrast stitching all around, so I don't know, I thought they were really cute, but as you can see, they're just not wearable. They would fall down at any second. This next item is a sweatshirt I got from Walmart, actually. I bought the sweatshirt and matching pants, or sweatpants. The sweatpants I actually already cut to be shorts, and that's kind of where this idea stemmed from. I just think, I mean, it's fine the way it is, just a sweatshirt, but I want to do a little something to spice it up a little bit. I'll show you what's in store, but yeah, it's just a simple oversized sweatshirt. This is a size large. These shorts are actually boy shorts. They're a size medium. These ones are from Target, but I bought them with the intent of the same thing, is to cut them and make them shorter. They're just a little too long. They just look like boy shorts, and I would rather them not. So I'm gonna cut them, make them a little shorter. The waist is a little bit big, but I wanted more of an oversized fit, so that's why I got a medium instead of a small. And it has a drawstring, so you can just tie it tighter to fit you better. But yeah, this will be a simple one, just cutting them, making them a little bit more feminine, and they'll be really cute. So lastly, I have these Gap trousers. I guess they're almost like denim, but they're a little bit softer. They are a boy fit, so they're long and straight, but I have a few kind of unique ideas. I don't love these pants, so I'm kind of more open to doing something new and trying out maybe something I wouldn't want to try on a pair of pants that I actually like a lot. So we're gonna experiment with these ones. This one is easy. All you have to do is take a pair of preferably fabric scissors and cut the inside of the pockets, the front pockets on the jeans or pants or whatever you're using. I turned them inside out to make sure I got closest to the edge as possible. Just be careful that you don't cut any seams or anything that could possibly unravel, but like I said, it's super easy. These jeans are also really easy. I'm just cutting off the bottom because they are too long. So I contemplated for a minute to get the right spot, but I definitely recommend going a little bit lower than you might think you need. It's easy to cut more. It's really difficult to put it back. So I just took the side that I already cut and placed it on the other side to get the same measurement and cut away. Another super easy one, you just take your scissors and cut them shorter. These ones I cut at an angle so that they're a little bit longer on the inside than they are on the outside. I think it gives a little bit more of a casual feel, and I like the way it looks, so that's how I did it, but you can cut it straight across if you prefer. But yeah, then you're done with these ones. So this one I bought an embroidery ring to keep the fabric in place without moving, and then I used painter's tape to get a straight line. So when I was writing my slogan, I just followed that straight line, and then you just embroider away. It takes a couple of hours, and I will suggest that you probably don't need as much yarn or thread as you think you do. I bought a ton of little embroidery thread packets, and I used one. And so lastly, for these jeans, I'll link below the video that I followed. It's a little bit difficult to show or explain, but I ended up cutting the side with the zipper and the button, and fabric glued it down farther to get the look in the picture that I just showed here. And then I inserted a new button into the area so that it sits tighter on my waist. I would recommend using a sewing machine here if you have one, or if you're capable of sewing, because I feel like it'll last a lot longer. This is my first time using fabric glue, and I'm not sure it'll hold up forever. So sew it if you can, but this works just as well if you're just trying to do a quick DIY like I was. I know next time I'll definitely be a little bit more cautious of how I'm doing it so that it turns out the best it possibly can, but they still turned out great. I love them. I think they look super cute, and they fit way better. I think these were originally size 10, and now they fit me as a size 4 or 6.